Welcome. Now in this module, we'll take a look at Callis walkthrough, a demo walkthrough, similar to what we've done for Nessus in the previous modules. So let's take a look at the Callis demo and with the help of screenshots. And we'll look at two types of capabilities. There are free Callis tools like browser check, which you can just simply go to a website, online website, and you can also do an SSL capability check for an online website. And then you have Callis free scan, for which you have to go to the Callis website and you have to post or press a button there and ask for a free assessment product evaluation product, and that enables you to perform vulnerability scans, OWASP scans, Patch Tuesday, and SCAP from their online cloud-based portal. So this is a snapshot of the Callis browser check. And I actually performed this browser check. It took just a few seconds. And from your browser, you go to the Callis browser check website and you click on scan, and it'll tell you if you have passed the browser check or not. So I was using Google Chrome version 59.0.3071.115. And it's also telling me that the browser is up to date and all the updates are valid. So this is the SSL Labs report. And as you know, SSL is a security feature. Whenever we type HTTPS, we're actually using the SSL protocol. So I entered a website and it asked it to check the SSL certificate, and it gave an overall rating of C. This was for an educational institute. I'm not going to tell you which one. And for the certificate, it passed. For the protocol support, it was about 90%. Key exchange was poor, about 70%. And the cipher strength was about 90%. Overall, it gave a C grade. So that was not very good. And this is the further detail. It's telling me in this report that visit our documentation page for more information. This server is vulnerable to the Poodle attack. If possible, disable SSL3 to mitigate and grade cap to C. And this server supports weak Diffie-Hellman key exchange parameters, grade cap to B. This server accepts RC4 cipher. You get a B grade. And the server does not support forward secrecy and with reference browser. So there's a complete detail here. And then it tells you for the protocol details for the SSL check. And Poodle SSL version 3, it's in red, so that failed. And RC4, it was insecure. And forward secrecy also, it's shown on the screen. And you can actually perform this online very easily with your browser. You don't actually need to even download anything. Now, this is the Callis free scan capability, and you can go and apply on the Callis website for an evaluation product, and it'll give you login credentials via email, and then you can actually log in. And when you log in on Callis free scan, it allows you up to 5 scans, and you can choose a scan type. It's a vulnerability scan, OWASP scan, Patch Tuesday, or a SCAP scan. And I've actually started 2 scans and for websites, and it's doing scan for a vulnerability scan, a web application scan, and a malware detection. And I did this for 2 websites and showing me that on one of them there are 3 threats as well. So here's the OWASP scan patch report, and we found that 4 patches were required, and it's giving you the detail in the lower section. There's an OpenSSH login grace time denial of service vulnerability and OpenSSH X security bypass vulnerability, and the details are here on the screen. And in the threat report, it's showing me that for the website that was scanned, there were 10 medium risk, 23 low risk, and 78 information gathering or info notification risks, which were present, and showing me the security levels as well. So overall, there were 33 vulnerabilities detected. 10 of them were medium, 23 of them were low, and the 78 info are not counted. So here is the further drill down. And you can click on any of the vulnerabilities, and it'll give you the CVE ID, it'll give you the CVE base score, the port, and the threat, and the impact, and the solution details as well. So as you can see here, Callis offers several free features and free tools. Callis is a powerful cloud-based vulnerability management tool. It gives a lot of excellent feature sets. It's really very powerful for website threat and malware detection as well. So there are several online free tools, and it has advanced web application security testing And many features are available which are not available on other scanners because of the cloud-based nature of Callis. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.